Okay, today I'm going to show you how to apply chalk paint, Annie Sloan Chalk Paint, of course, with the semi-newer Annie Sloan chunky paintbrushes. You'll notice this paintbrush is slightly tapered at the edges, but mostly flat. It sucks the paint up well and it applies it very well, as opposed to the wax brushes, which are tapered on the sides and come to almost a point in the middle. And I'll show the best way to use those in another video. So I've already loaded my brush with some of my old white, and these are just old dresser drawers from a really icky old dresser that we're repurposing into shelves for our kids' rooms. So that went on fast. I love it. I love these because they grab the paint well, just on the tip. You don't need to go up too far up the brush. And then it just goes on so nicely. It doesn't take long at all to do the first coat on a surface. I'll be doing 2 coats on this darker wood here. And when I'm done, I wash them with water or a gentle soap if I really need to, but usually water's good enough. I used to paint. I've been chalk painting for, gosh, since it first came to the US, so years now. And I used to use the regular paintbrushes, and they take forever to apply. These are worth it. If you do any chalk paint projects and you value your time, get some. Okay.